In this tutorial, I'll show you how to connect Alibaba to Shopify. To get started with Shopify, you can check the link in the description. Firstly, go to dropshipping.alibaba.com. Click Sign In, then Create Account. Fill in email address, mobile number, company name, full name and company address. Verify your email via the code sent and you'll be redirected to the Alibaba Dropshipping Center. In your Alibaba Dropshipping Center, go to the sidebar menu and click on My Store. Enter your Shopify store and then click Add Store. Now log into your Shopify account when prompt and install the Alibaba Dropshipping app from the Shopify App Store. You should see your store now appear in Store Management. This means the connection is successful. Now go to Search Products in your Alibaba Dropshipping dashboard, browse or search the items you want to sell, then click Import List. You're now fully set up to dropship from Alibaba to Shopify. Products can now be managed, customized, and sold directly through your Shopify store.